In this video, I'll show you how to protect your website with Cloudflare free WAF. First, it's important to set expectations the right way. Cloudflare does offer WAF protection on all plans, including the free plan, but the free version is more limited than the paid tiers. Cloudflare's WAF overview says the WAF is available on all plans, and the Managed Rules documentation says the Cloudflare free managed rule set is available on all Cloudflare plans and is designed to protect against high-impact, widely exploited vulnerabilities. That makes it a very useful starting point for basic website protection. To set it up, log in to Cloudflare, choose your domain, then go to Security and open WAF. In the Managed Rules area, Cloudflare's Getting Started guide says you can deploy a managed rule set from there. On a free plan, the key one to look for is the Cloudflare free managed rule set. Once you enable it, Cloudflare will begin inspecting incoming requests and filtering traffic that matches those protections. After that, review your security settings and make sure your site is actually proxied through Cloudflare. If your DNS records are orange clouded, Cloudflare can sit in front of your server and apply its protections. Without proxying, Cloudflare cannot inspect and protect normal web traffic in the same way. This step is easy to overlook, but it matters because the WAF works on traffic that passes through Cloudflare's edge. Now, even on the free plan, you can go a little further by using custom rules. Cloudflare's custom rules documentation says, custom rules let you filter incoming requests and apply actions like block or manage challenge. That means you can create simple protections, such as blocking suspicious paths, challenging traffic to the login page, or restricting access by country, IP, or request pattern if that fits your site. For example, if your site has a login page that gets attacked often, you could create a rule to apply a managed challenge to requests hitting that path. If you know your admin area should only be accessed from one country or one office, IP, you can create a rule for that too. These custom rules are not a replacement for a full paid security setup, but they can still add meaningful protection when combined with the free managed rule set. Another useful thing to know is that Cloudflare's managed rules are updated over time. Their managed rules documentation says the rule sets are updated frequently to cover new vulnerabilities and reduce false positives. That means once you turn them on, you continue getting some protection improvements without manually updating firewall signatures yourself. You should also watch your traffic after enabling the rules. Check Cloudflare's security events and look for legitimate requests that might be challenged or blocked. If something on your own site stops working, you may need to fine-tune a custom rule or adjust how a specific path is handled. Free protection is great, but it still works best when you monitor what it's doing. So the basic setup is this. Add your site to Cloudflare, make sure traffic is proxied, go to Security, open WAF, enable the Cloudflare free managed rule set, and then add a few simple custom rules for sensitive pages like login, admin, or API endpoints. That gives your website a solid free layer of protection against common web attacks. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.